Well, only on KNOE, Glenwood Regional Medical Center eliminated nearly 24 jobs today. Good evening to you. I'm Jennifer Andrews. Well, Glenwood's interim president, Jon Turton, says due to operational changes, 23 positions, including 4 leadership roles, have now been eliminated. He says they are the only reductions planned at this time, and the impacted employees can consider open positions. This comes after the state health department spent months at Glenwood due to low levels of supplies and staffing. Well, Turton said that this action, while unfortunate for those impacted, is a necessary step to adjust to the business conditions that have changed. He also says the reductions won't impact operations or patient care. Now, we have full coverage of the Stewart bankruptcy and Glenwood on KNOE.com, and in the KNOE app. It is free to download.